Hi, I'm Rosanne Detorres, and I'm the managing partner of DeTorres DeGeorge Family Law. And today's video is about the 5 things that you can do today to prepare for divorce if you're considering divorce. So the first thing that I would do if I was thinking about divorcing is consult an attorney. An attorney that specializes in matrimonial law, that has a specialty certification in matrimonial law, is going to be your best bet for helping you figure out what your rights are and what your responsibilities are. They should be able to give you a strategy for how best to resolve your situation and also give you fallback positions in case your plan A, if you will, isn't going to be received well by your spouse. So strategy and fallback positions are things that a good family law attorney is going to be able to help you devise. They're also going to help you plan and prepare for the divorce. A divorce is not something that you want to enter into lightly. It's something that you should prepare for. There's ways to prepare for it. I'm going to go into a little bit about how best to prepare yourself for a divorce. There's financial things that you can do, and a good divorce attorney, a good family law attorney is going to be able to help you prepare yourself for the divorce process. And if you like, we are offering anyone, whether you're a client of ours or not, free interview questions that you can take with you to your initial consultation meeting with your family law attorney. All you have to do is email me at info@dndfamilylaw.com, and I will send you without charge a list of questions that you should ask your prospective family law attorney before hiring them. So that's the first thing, is to consult an attorney. The second thing I would do is to gather documents. This is going to make your divorce process cheaper and more efficient for you and your attorney. Things like titles to real estate, titles to cars, boats, or motorcycles, bank account statements, investment account statements, retirement account statements, life insurance policies, mortgage statements, lines of credit statements, car loan and lease documents, credit card statements, outstanding bills, and anything else that has to do with your assets and your debts. In my book, Divorce, What You Need to Know Before, During, and After, which is free, downloadable on my website, there is a reference list of all the documents that you can or should gather before or just after meeting with your prospective attorney. The third thing that you can do to prepare for divorce is to make a list of all the assets and debts of your marriage. If you've gathered all the documents that I listed here or that are listed in my book, that should be a very simple matter for you to do. A spreadsheet is really helpful, but you don't have to be familiar with Excel or any other program to do a spreadsheet, but a simple list of assets and debts will do. The fourth thing that you can do to prepare for divorce is to create budgets, and really, ideally, 2 budgets. The first budget would be for your current spending, what you're spending as an intact family. The second budget would be for your future projected budget, if you can conceive of what your future life may look like. In order to prepare your current budget, you're going to want to review the last 12 months of your bank statements and your credit card statements. And you're going to average all of those expenses and put them on a line item budget spreadsheet or just a simple sheet of paper. Again, the form of a budget and what is included in a budget is listed in my divorce book that is free to you. The second budget would be your future projected budget. This is the future budget as if you're already divorced. If you can conceive of what your life may look like, it is a good idea to start being proactive about what that budget is, because your future needs are going to impact the support that your lawyer is going to need to negotiate for you. And the fifth and final thing that I can recommend to you to prepare yourself for divorce is to develop a support network. Your lawyer is not a therapist. You do not want to use them as a therapist. It is not, it's just too expensive to do that. We can refer you to divorce coaches that are also not therapists, but help you deal with the mechanics of going through the divorce process that is less costly than dealing with a lawyer. We can also refer you to very good therapists that can help you deal with the emotional struggle of going through the divorce process and the letting go. So those are our 5 tips today that you can do right now to prepare for divorce if you're considering divorce. I'm Rosanne Detorres of DeTorres DeGeorge Family Law, and I hope you have a great day.